YouTube. Y'all, I'm back with another quick little video, y'all. Shout out to all the people that they got hit pretty hard in that hurricane that was in Florida and Georgia, or wherever, Alabama, all them places like that, man. Shout out to them people, man. Hope everybody good. I hope everybody can go ahead and get that stuff, back together or whatever. Yeah, prayer go out to y'all. But today, man, I think I'm gonna go out here and clean up the Crown Vic a little bit. Man, y'all just don't know what I just seen in the Crown Vic a couple of days ago. See, it been raining and stuff. I ain't had time to come out here and play around with it. But man, y'all came out here one night and that thing was full of roaches, man. Roaches coming out of everywhere. So I bought some of that fall stuff to do in there. Let me see. Look at that, man. Look at that roach crawling everywhere and that thing, man. I hate shit like that. Yeah, see, I bought some of this fall stuff and that shit don't fucking work. This shit right here ain't hitting on nothing, man. This thing still full of roaches. This thing still full of roaches, man. I haven't seen that many since I came back out here and checked, but I think they might be out in the door panels and all kind of stuff like that, man. I'm finna get ready to pull all this stuff out. Finna pull these seats out. Everything, man. I'm finna get ready to pull all this stuff out. Yeah, I can't get down like that, man. Look at that. Roach is still crawling. Oh, they gotta go, man. So I put a fog can in here too. This stuff do not work. If anybody trying to get rid of roaches and stuff, man, it don't work. Look at that. Look at that, man. I'm gonna pull all the carpet and stuff out like ASAP. Maybe I got the wrong kind. They had some red fall too. I didn't get the red. Look at that, man. Look. Y'all see that? Look at that, man. I know y'all don't want to keep seeing all that, but like I was just saying, man, y'all don't buy that stuff, man. I picked 3 cans and had that thing smoked out. Couldn't even see in here. Oh, full of dust or smoke, whatever come out that can. And you can see that it didn't do nothing. Alright, so y'all I don't know, I might show y'all taking these seats out. I don't know if y'all seen videos of it, taking the seats out of Crown Vic. I ain't never did that before, but we'll try it though. We'll try it together. Let's see this. Goddamn, man! I just popped that thing. That roaches start running arrow goddamn well. Boy, this shit finna be rough right here. Y'all, I'm gonna go get some tools and stuff real quick. I'll be back. Alright, well, y'all, listen. I only got the 2 front boats out. The rest of the boat rested, man. So I'm gonna have to wait till another day. And the front seat will not move. I only can take the front boats out, but can't take the back out. Passenger side, I took the front out on the passenger side, but can't take the back out. On the other side, I can take the front out and can't take the back out. Same thing, really. Well, no, same thing, yeah, same thing. So yeah, see how this thing been rusted. By the way, they car got 2 12s in the back too, y'all. And, 2 kickers in the back. They got 2 kicker 12 back there, man. Yeah, I forgot to mention that to y'all too. I'm gonna take that out though. I'm gonna take it out. Matter of fact, I might just throw that in my Infinity and just to have a little music in there, man. You know, when I throw some music in this thing, I want that thing to goddamn make the whole car fall apart. But anyway, if I get these boats out, man, I'll get back to y'all. I can't even get to them boats at all, because that seat will not move over there. So I gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna get this seat out. I don't even care if I gotta cut this stuff out, man. These seats ain't going back in there anyway.
Whenever
I need to call straight raw. So I can figure out what I'm gonna do with it, man. I'm gonna just leave this thing straight raw. Them seats is not going back in there. You know what I mean? So like I said, it might be a long project, man. I don't know. I'm gonna just see. I'm gonna do a little piece at a time. I already had found some seats anyway, so I need that leather in there, and I need that console. I'm gonna see how good the car can hold up, cause I might have to do motor work. I know y'all can hear the exhaust. It sounds terrible. Yeah, that thing sounds terrible, man. So, I'm doing little pieces at a time. I just wanted to keep y'all updated on some of this stuff. I gotta drop some video, man. That's the only way I can keep going up, and that's the only way I can goddamn move up to that drop top, though, man. You know what I mean? That drop top Mustang coming soon, man. 69 or 70 drop top Mustang. I like different stuff, man. I don't like to ride the way everybody else on. I ain't brainwashed, you know what I mean? The other stuff I like, got the two beside the same thing everybody ride. You feel me? But I'll get back with y'all.